Ezinye zezindawo lapho kubanjwe khona ukhetho lokuchibiyela KwaZulu Natal, iKwaDukuza, nase Lokishini iMpumalanga eHammersdale. Bevile ezinkulungwaneni ezingamashumi amane abantu ababhalisele lolukhetho kulendawo. Ukuzwa kabanzi ngokuqhubekayo njengamanje. Sixhumana noSimphiwe Makhanya. Simphiwe sikwamukele ezindabeni zasemini. Siphezulu isibalo sabantu ababhalisele lolukhetho lapho. Ingabe ke lesi sibalo siyahambisana yini nabantu abaphume ukuzovota?
Silindo kuhle angibingelele kwena bese ngibingelele nakumbukele ekhaya ukuzama nje ukuphendula umbuzo wakho Silindo kusho ngizosho ukuthi mhlasimbe lokho sizokuthola ngokuhamba kosuku kodwa esesikubonile njengamanje ukuthi yebo impela izakhamuzi zalapha eHammersdale eMpumalanga ke township ziyaqhubeka ukufika ke ezikhungweni zokuvota ezihlukile uward 6 ke lo esikuona Silindo kuhle uzokhumbula ukuthi lapha esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal ayisithupha amaward azokuba ke nokhetho lokuchibiyela. Ngizozama ukusuka ke kancane sithombele Silindo kuhle ngitshengisa umbukele ekhaya ukuthi isimo sibukeka kanjani lapha esikhona. Amaqembu ezombusazwe ukubona kuwo iAfrican National Congress, IFP, Economic Freedom Fighters kanye namanye amaqembu ke asemasha lapha emkhakheni wezombusazwe kungabalwa kuwo ke iABC, abantu batho Congress kanye neATM nabo ke bayingxenye yalo lolukhetho lokuchibiyela oluzosingathwa ke njengoba kwenzeka nje namhlanje kuqhubeka emva kwami. Sikwazile ke ukuthola ithuba lokuba sikhulume ke nabanye babaholi amamele lamaqembu ezombusazwe. Ake sizwe kabanzi ukuthi ngakube iziphi ke ezinye zezinto abayithembisa izakhamuzi zalapha.
We are quite confident that the community of Ward 6, that is why we are going to emerge victorious today, because they were part and parcel of the processes that produced the current candidate of the ANC, and that's exactly what we are trying to perfect as the ANC, to say all our candidates before we even go to the polls should have endorsement of the communities, because we are about the communities. So it will be fruitless to have somebody representing the ANC but rejected by the people.
We are saying to the voters of Mpumalanga, we want to restart the unfinished business that we started with them, because you know that this area was under the then KwaZulu government. The roads that you see here, the houses that you see, those are the results of the government that was there, led by the Prince of Kwapindangane. So we want to finish that business with them, because they know that at the time this area was not as dirty as it is now.
We believe that we have done everything in our power, and we feel good the process that we've dealt with has been fair. We've campaigned, we've canvassed, we have spoken to everyone that we believe we should have spoken to. So yeah, we are very much ready for today.
As an AFR, we are promising people that once we take over this ward, there will be no tendering system, because the tendering system is a source of corruption. And when we came and do door-to-door here, we find out that the people of this area, it's Ward 91, it's not Ward 6, because it's one of the corruptions that I want to report to the IEC, that the IEC is misleading us as new role players in this field, because according to IEC is Ward 6, but when you come here, you're busy campaigning in Ward 6, and at the end of the day, you find yourself in Ward 91.
Abanye ke babaholi bezombusazwe labo abaphawulile ngaphambilini besho ukuthi bazilungisele kangakanani ukuthi kusingathwe lolukhetho olubalekile lapha esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal lokuchibiyela. Engakubalula Silindo kuhle ukuthi ngaphakathi ezikhungweni zokuvota sike saba nethuba lokuba sizibonele ngawe ukuthi cha izinsiza zokuzivikela ekubalwa kuzo ke esingathi ke ama mask kanye nama sanitizer kukhona uma ngabe abantu beyovota baye bahambe ke ngemigudu efanele ukuqinisekisa phela ukuphepha kwabo, njengoba sikhumbula noma sazi ukuthi izwe lisabhekene ke nenselelo yesifo lesi ke esiwubhubhane iCovid-19. Sizoqhubeka ke Silindo kuhle ukuhambela izikhungo ezehlukene lapha esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal, sicoshele sizwe ukuthi ngakube ngakwezinye indawo isimo sihamba kanjani. Kepha ke umbiko esunawo njengamanje ilowo othi kubuka ngathi ke konke kusahamba ngohlelo, azikho izikhungo zokuvota eziphazamisekile kusukela ke kuqalile ukuvota namhlanje kuseni. Silindo kuhla ngibuyisela intambo kwene egoli.
Sibonge kakhulu ke Simphiwe Makhanya ubesibikela bukhoma eselokishini laseMpumalanga eHammersdale.